Alright, thanks for clicking on this video. Today is Independence Day. Happy birthday, America. We are celebrating. We're doing some ribs, St. Louis style ribs on the smoker. We'll have a Recteq going at 225, and I'll take you out to the Recteq in a few minutes. But first I want to show you how to prepare these. I've already taken the membrane off the back. So we already got that done, but I want to show you how to cut the St. Louis cut. They come like this in the package. So you just want to get the bone side here against the flat edge, and that'll give you a kind of a straight edge, and then you just kind of want to straighten it out right here. You just take your knife, cut this piece off right here. These are going to be your rib tips right here. And you can prepare these as well. We'll put these on the smoker. So these are gonna be your rib tips. It still has some gristle and ribs and stuff in there, but that's still really good meat. So you got kind of a nice square piece of meat right here. I left a little kind of a corner right there, but that's okay. So then the next thing you're gonna do, I got them all patted dry, is we're gonna put our seasoning on here. This one we have is Barbecue Brothers rub. It's New Orleans style. It's a little bit spicy, but it's really not that spicy. You just get a nice, even sprinkle on here. And then the other one we have is Bad Byron's butt rub. We get this at Costco, but I just like to use a little bit of each, maybe a lot of each. But for our rib tips, I want to take our New Orleans style this time, put that on here, fill in the gaps. Got our Recteq going here, 225. We're going to put these ribs on. See it back here. We're gonna sauce these about every hour. We have a red wine vinegar and apple juice spray that we're gonna spray them. You wanna check on these about every hour or so, just to keep them moist. And we'll come back and do that in just a little while. Check on these bad boys. Oh, a little dry. All right, people, we got a little chaos going on here. We got our ribs ready to take off. Whew. Look at these rib tips. We'll put these and these in there. And we're gonna put one rack of these in here. Face up. I'm gonna put it on this top rack. This will go on just like this. Face up. We got butter, honey, and brown sugar. We're gonna let our other rack ride back there. By the way, these are Eco Grips. They already have a hole in them. They don't really protect you from the heat. So if you're thinking about buying some gloves, do not buy these. So what we're about to do is attempt to get the ribs off and the rib tips. You gotta take them out of the foil, try to save some of the juice, put them on the grill, sauce them, and they're gonna stay on the grill for about 15 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do. It's not easy, I'm just letting you know. This might be a little awkward, but you're gonna see everything. Here we go. Trash can over here. If anyone has any better suggestions on how to do this, please drop them in the comments below.
Here, I got this one.
This has to be really close. Worst gloves ever. My fingers are on fire. All right, we're back at the Recteq, about to take the ribs, everything off here. This is the bract that we let go dry rub here. We got a nice bend. That's the dry rub, Bob.
Damp things in the way.
That's all right. These are the wet rubs. You can just set it. Oh yeah, these are falling apart here. These are the rib tips.
Oh, nice.
And then all we got is this bread left. You can take that in, Bob. I'll bring this in. There's bread left here.
Actually, should be there around 4 o'clock during weekdays. Right on the launch. Oh yeah, that morning was different.
Beef steak,
I don't know which one is which.
and he actually tasted like potato.
Potatoes, they were like dull or
And they
flavor.
had